Adding links to your AI agent's responses lets customers jump straight to the right page, product, or support article. There are a few ways to set this up depending on how you've trained your agent. If you're using FAQs, this is the simplest approach. Go to Automations, then Agents, select your agent, open Knowledge, and choose FAQs. Create a new FAQ or edit an existing one. Paste the link directly into the answer and save. Test a few questions to make sure the link shows up when it should. If you're training from your website, you can guide your agent to include the most relevant URL from your site. Under Knowledge, open the Website tab and make sure your site is listed and enabled. Then head to Instructions and add a clear line telling your agent to include the relevant link in its answers. Save, then test in the preview to confirm it's picking the right page. If you prefer structured content, use a CSV with 3 columns: question or keyword, answer, and link. Upload it under Knowledge as a document, enable it, and test to see how it replies. This is a good option when you want the response and the link to be consistent every time. And if you want links that adapt to whatever the customer asks, you can have your agent generate search links. This works well when your website has a predictable search URL structure. In Instructions, tell your agent to build a search link from the customer's keywords, replacing spaces with plus signs so the link works properly. Save, then test a few searches to confirm the generated links open the right results. Whichever approach you choose, keep testing and refining until the answers are accurate and the links genuinely help. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.